What's your history? Do you have a tendency to lead some people on? 'Cause I heard you too. I could fall or I could fly here in your aeroplane. I could live, I could die, hanging on to the words you say. And I've been known to give my all, lie awake every day, don't know how much I can take. So don't call me baby unless you mean